am so happy to be here. I'm not gonna lie.
It's good to be reunited.
Yes.
How you feeling then?
My lower back really hurts.
Okay.
Yep.
We can do something about that. Oof, you feel
I should
that?
pop. It should be good. It should sound really good.
It's gonna be like really good today. I got a good feeling about that.
Oh.
It's all through here, isn't
Yes.
it? Ooh, especially that side right there. Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay, she ready for this? She ready. She's ready. Let's check up here. Cool. Oof, nice. Let's try a little breath. In, hold that breath, hold. Nice. Let's try a breath in and hold here. Yes, ma'am. Let's get you on your side now. Good. Very good. Yes. Okay, hold here. Here you go. Okay, you ready? You hold here. Tuck those toes off the side here. There it goes. Yes, ma'am. On your back, face up. Let's check your neck here. Yeah. Good. Side here too. Let's set your hips down just like that right there. Perfect. And then we're gonna give you a little stretch. We'll bring your chin down just like that, right like that. Here.
Oh, that felt so good. That was nice.
Yes.
That was great.
More better.